So now we're solving multiples of theta within the question. Usual idea, if you inverse sine this, you'd get 30. And your secondary solution would then be 180 minus 30, which is 150. And then dividing by 2 gives you 15 or 75. However, that's only half the answer, and I'll show you why. Now if you take a look at this diagram, in red is your usual sine curve. Now sine 2 theta, it takes half as long to complete a full cycle. If you think about it, the value of 10, if theta was 10, 2 theta would be 20, and 20 would become 40. So that by the time you get to 180, you've actually gone through the full cycle of 360 degrees. So you can imagine it as almost you've done 2 full 360s in the time that it usually takes to do 1 full 360. But what it's actually doing here is you're getting 2 cycles. So that means if we would take our solutions, we've got 1 here. If I just do a dotted line across, 2, 3, 4 solutions. So now we're going to identify how to do that in a nice simple way back on the main board. So let's go back to when we had our 2 theta. So 2 solutions would have been 30 and 150. But if you're thinking about it, it's at 2 revolutions. We could also have a tertiary solution, a third one, of 360, add the 30 is 390, then add on 360 to the next one, gives me 510. And at that point, if you divide by 2 to do the final part of solving, you've got 195 degrees, or 255 degrees, giving us our 4 solutions. So let's look at cos 3 theta. Inverse cos gives me 3 theta equals 60 degrees or 300 degrees. That's using the secondary solution is 360 minus theta. And then if we're imagining that you've gone through 3 revolutions, so we'll add on another 360 here to give 420, add on another 360, which is 780, and then 660, and then 920. No, 1020, if I could add up correctly. So, if I now divide by 3, I'll get the following solutions. So we'd have 60 divided by 3 is 20, or 100, or 140, 220, and then we'd have 260, or we'd have 340. All of them between the range 0 to 360. So all you have to do is solve tan 2 theta equals 0.5 in the range 0 to 360. Have fun. Okay, so we've got tan 2 theta equals 0.5. First of all, inverse tan 2 theta will give me, to the nearest degree, 27 degrees, and its secondary solution will be 180 degrees on from that, which is 207. Don't forget, we're effectively thinking about going in 2 full cycles. So if we add on 360 to both of these, we'll get 387, and then we'll also get 567. Now don't forget we haven't divided by 2 yet, so once we divide by 2, we're going to get 13.5. Yes, the rounding's not very good there, but never mind. 153.5. And then we have 193.5. And then we have 333.5. So there's your 4 solutions. Don't forget, if it's 2 theta you get 4 solutions, 3 theta you get 6 solutions, 4 theta 8 solutions, etc.